Okay, welcome along today. Today's video is going to be a little update on the Moss MX5 car that we've been doing for them, and I'm going to ask Ashley, and I've lost my finger, there we go, Roy, to run through the work that we've done and go from there. Hi Ash.
Hi.
Hi Roy. Okay, so Moss called us some months ago and they wanted us to look at an MX5 for them and do some works, and they're gonna promote the MX5 within their catalogue and go to shows. So we've started doing some work with them, and today they've come to pick it up. But we wanted to just make a specific video on the work that we've carried out, and these two guys did the work.
These guys?
So Ash, you cut it open, didn't you?
Yep.
Where did you start?
On the sill, where it was rusted.
Thanks for describing that so well. We have done weekly workshop updates and this car has been in there, but today we're just going to be specifically talking about the Moss Mark 1. So where did you start?
I started cutting out on the sill down here. I think it was a few weeks ago now. So.
And what did you find behind there?
Well, rust.
I know you found rust, but how bad was it?
It was.
Did inners need?
The inner sill needed doing, and the end plate on the back was quite rusty as well.
So you basically cut it open?
Yep, I cut it open, chopped the bad stuff out, and then I went on holiday and left it for someone else to sort out.
And that would be me.
So you finished it off, Roy, didn't you?
Yeah.
So there's quite a lot to do on it, wasn't there?
I think Ash actually had the sill end plate welded in. He'd already had the inner sill cut, ready to be put in.
Was it all cut out both sides, or was it one side?
We only done this side.
Oh, we did, didn't we? Yeah.
So, yeah, I welded in the panel that Ash had already cut open.
So sill end plate. This whole sill end plate was replaced, wasn't it?
Yeah, he'd already done that. So I done the inner sill. That was probably from around about here, backwards.
Yeah.
Then the outer panel. So I've done that. I also done both front jacking points. No, both front sill sections even.
So that's it. So what Moss did with this? Moss supplied parts. They supplied the wings, seals as well, didn't they?
Yes,
all the seal sections. So we worked with Moss's equipment, and Roy. The seals were gone behind the wings, weren't they?
Yeah, basically they wanted to replace the wings. The wings were all rotted out around here, so they sent a couple of wings down. They also obviously sent the sill panel down anyway. And behind where the wing sits, bolts up to, a normal story, the bolt snapped, and B, I ended up putting holes in the front sill sections. So from wherever it comes to right here, to about here, we cut out. And
same the other side then, really, wasn't it?
Sides, yeah, we cut them all out, cleaned up inside, and then treated, repaired it, and welded a new panel in. So
yeah, it's come up well, hasn't it? Oh, he's still talking.
Yeah. It's all wet now. It's horrible. Yeah, I think it was just both of them sections. Yeah,
I think you did.
There was nothing on the floor pan.
Yeah.
Jacking points weren't done because they didn't need doing. So again, it was just from here, sort of from here onwards.
Yeah.
So it was cut out and replaced.
So I think the reasons for Moss wanting to use us were there was guys within the Moss company had MX5s or been in the MX5 scene, and they just basically recommended us to go forward because they'd heard of the work that we do and what we're about. Which I felt very proud that's like that. That our names were put forward, and we've managed to sort of carry out the work on this MX5 for Moss, and going to be doing some more bits and pieces with them in the future. So Ash, do you want to come in and say goodbye? Ash is so come shy.
Bye.
Doesn't play ball, does he, Roy?
Rude.
Okay, so thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.
Bye.